Hello everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I'm here today to share with you some cards that I've been making. As you can see, I have been a busy little bee. I have been making cards using some of my favorite Carta paper collections. So I've used Flower Market. Let me share it with you here. This is Flower Market. I love, love, love this collection. The colors are so beautiful. And you can use it in spring and summer. It's just so lovely. And then Spring Market. And then I also used Summer Market, but I only had a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So I used papers from Farmhouse Market. Now, I'm not sure why I have not purchased the 12 by 12 paper kit, because this one is absolutely gorgeous. But for the Summer Market, I did use papers from this one as well as the Flower Market. So let me start off with that. And I wanted to make cards that I didn't have to watercolor or Copic color images, that I could just go back to doing some of my favorite clean and simple cards and easy cards, you know, stickers and cutting here and there, doing a few die cuts, but not a whole lot of embellishments. I mean, yes, there's some twine and buttons and enamel dots, but you know, the collections do most of the work for me. So that was really great. So here is a slimline card that I created with the Summer Market from Carta. And this die, let me share that with you. This is from Mama Elephant, the slimline card dies. So this is a really versatile die set because you get the large scallop. Then you get the inset here that has the stitching. You get the 3 speech bubbles. And then you get these 3 cutouts. That way you can make little shaker windows, or you could put your little colored images in those. And then it has the cloud die. But if you turn it that way, it will make waves. And then it has the little slope here, which could be for like a hillside or a road or a snowdrift. So it's a really versatile die set, I think. So I used that slimline die to cut this out. You can see the scallop, and there's the inlay there with the stitching. And so these are all just stickers. I didn't use any coordinating papers other than, you know, the blue paper, but I mean, there's no pattern paper on here. These are stickers here. I put a strip on either side, and then this is like a awning, little strip sticker, like an awning, you know, over a business or even over a porch, and that's what I was going for, because I've got the porch swing there, the banner that says summer. And then I popped the bike up. I added some hearts, a couple here and one here, and it says lovely day, sunny days, and I was made for sunny days. And then on the inside, I added an adhesive strip of stickers there. Well, I guess stickers are adhesive. That's kind of being redundant there on my part. But you know what I mean, little strip there. And then this sentiment says, everything good, everything magical happens between the months of June and August. And then I added a mason jar sticker. So I love the summer line. I've mentioned many times that autumn is my favorite season, and right behind it is summer. And in a perfect world for me, we'd have 3 months summer, 3 months autumn, 3 months summer, 3 months autumn. I would love that. I'm sure my friend Patty O'Malley is shaking her head. No, you've left out winter. All right, there's beauty in every season, but yeah, those are my 2 favorites. So this is another one that I made with that kit, or sticker sheet, I should say. So it's got the banner, And then I put the alphas there in gold to create the word summer. And then I popped up the little truck and on foam adhesive, added a little gold heart on the bumper. And then I added 3 little butterflies that I cut out from a Stampin' Up! Embosslet folder that I have. And then I added a little gingham strip of paper here and some enamel dots that match the truck. And on the inside it says, "The real things haven't changed. It is still best to be honest and truthful, to make the most of what we have, to be happy with simple pleasures, and have courage when things go wrong. Laura Ingalls Wilder." And that's from that farmhouse, that sentiment strip. That's from this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. See, there it is there. I've got it upside down, but there it is. Okay, so those are the 2 cards I made with that collection. And I might have added a couple of elements, I think, to a couple of these other cards, but I'm not for sure. Now, for the next one is the flower market. And I made several cards with that kit. So there's this, yep. This is from, I'm pretty sure that awning is from the flower market, or summer market. Are you totally confused now? So this is a real simple card again. Sticker, paper, stickers, added grow, bloom, grow. A little sticker up here that says the whole world is a garden. And then I popped up this little flower cart with enamel dots, not enamel dots, foam dots. And then just put, a little strip of the paper, and it says bloom, and then the little flower pots there. And then this one, real simple. It's just some paper here. Added some enamel dots there. And then I took a scallop punch and just punched out some blue, a little strip of blue. Added some floral paper here. And then I made fishtail banners out of 3 different little scraps of paper that was laying on my desk with all these, cards. You have all those little scraps. And then I added a heart there, and I put the chipboard truck on it. And it says there's beauty all around. Another little strip of paper, and then this says beauty. And then here's another one. Now this one, I think, is from the summer collection, not the farmhouse. Is it? Maybe it's the same, because the trucks are 2 different colors, so who knows. This is a sticker. Popped it up, popped up locally grown. It says flowers on this fishtail banner. And then that beautiful, beautiful paper. I love that. It is so, so pretty. And then I added the word bloom and added a little blue enamel heart. A strip of paper. There is beauty all around. And then the cards are stamped with my personal stamp that I had purchased from Tailored Expressions. And then these 2 are similar. One has the black gingham or plaid, and then this one has the pink. They both have fishtail banners that I cut out of strips of paper. And then they both have the LDRS die here, or die cut from the LDS die. And then this is a spellbinder piece there. And I put the chipboard that says truth, freedom, beauty, love. And then I'm not sure if you will remember a video that I shared a few months ago that I had bought some chipboard. I can't remember. From a floral company. They are normally buy my flowers from them. It's not I Am Roses. I can't think of it. Anyway, and their chipboard was really, really thin. It was beautiful, but super thin. And I shared that I put some embossing powder on it to try to strengthen it up. So it's the sparkle embossing powder. So I added that here and then put a little bow there. And I did the same here. Now this has a little fishtail that says favorite, and then this is a chipboard tag. It says blush garden rose, and there's that little chipboard piece there too. and another little bow. And then these 3 cards are from the spring market. I love this one, real easy. I just did some paper layering. So this paper, this background paper is from the spring market. And then this pretty paper here. And then I popped up this tag, or this cut apart I should say. Added a twine bow and a button. And then I popped up most of the embellishments, this little sticker I did, and it says it's the little things in life. And then I just added a strip of the paper and some more little boots, and I put a flower on the boot. And this one is so simple. I made some more little fishtail banners there. It says life is beautiful. I cut out the paper and then made a mat of the black. And then I love doing that because it really makes your card pop. And then just a couple of black enamel dots, and popped up this sticker. It says fresh cut flowers, create a bouquet. And then on the inside, it says happy little moments. And for my last one, I love this one too. Again, I cut the paper and, did a mat of the black paper. So it really frames it beautifully. And then added some little gems. And my husband gave me those gems. He bought me a paper kit, not a paper kit, like an embellishment kit when I first started getting into scrapbooking years ago when we were living back in Oregon. And he bought me that kit and I was thrilled, and I've used most of it except for those little gems. I still think I might have a few pieces of different types of embellishments from the kit. And this says, you have but one life, enjoy the journey, and there's the bicycle. So I matted this on the black there, and then I put some twine and it added a bow. This is all popped up, and then put a leaf sticker, and then on that leaf sticker is the little chipboard. And then it's blank inside. I'll probably decorate this inside too. So thank you all so much for taking the time to watch. Before you go, if you are still with me, since I've been doing these cards with these paper kits and having so much fun, I thought I would spread the happiness. Now this is a little giveaway that I'm doing, but let me get this off the sticker here. Oh goodness, I'm ripping it. I'm gonna have to pull this off of camera. Wait, let's see, can she do it? I did rip it a little bit. Sorry about that. But I have this paper kit from Echo Park, and I have some embellishments here. It did have 33 pieces. It only has 28 because I did use a few of them. And I'm gonna do a little giveaway here with this kit and these little frames and tags. I'm sorry, again, it's open to my United States, subscribers because of shipping costs. But this is the Have Faith paper kit, and I'm going to share with you what it looks like. If you would like to be entered in a giveaway for this, I will use YouTube Random Comment Picker. I'll leave this giveaway open for a few weeks. And I will announce the winner. Let's see, today is the 17th. Let's say the 31st, somewhere around the 31st, I'll announce the winner. And in your comment, leave the word faith somewhere in your comment. So this is for, it's a Christian faith-based kit, and I'm a Christian, so I thought this would be a lovely giveaway. And here we go. So now this sticker sheet, I have not used any of it. It came to me, and I'm not sure what happened here, but it arrived to me like that. But it's almost like something cut out around that frame, so it might have just been a boo-boo on the manufacturing part. I don't know. But all the stickers are there. They are beautiful. And then I just want to share with you the papers real quick. Lots of cut aparts in this collection. I love that pattern. It's so pretty. And there's churches there. Really pretty. Makes me think of a quilt. More cut aparts. Help is a prayer away. Wherever you go, I'll go. Our faith can move mountains. These strips, sentiment strips, and just paper strips there. Butterflies. Plaid paper, polka dots. More cut aparts. That's real pretty too. More cut aparts. That's pretty, I like that. And there's that pretty paper. And then more cut aparts. All I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Amen to that. All right, so if you would like to be entered in this giveaway, just add the word faith, F-A-I-T-H, somewhere in your comment. Please don't just use that as your comment. Let me know what you think of the cards that I made, and then somewhere in your comment, just add the word faith. All right, and please remember you need to be a US subscriber to enter into that giveaway. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you all for watching. I know it's a long video, but I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.